In this section, we will learn how to create charts from a dataset. I have a small dataset, and with its help, I will show you how to create a chart. First, select the columns or data you want to base your chart on. Then, go to the Insert tab. Here, we have a group with different chart options available, such as 2D charts, bar charts, pie charts, and scatter charts. I will use the Recommended Charts option, as Excel automatically reads your data and recommends the best charts to use. From the recommended charts, I will choose the Clustered Column chart, which is used to compare values across a few categories. Now, adjust the chart size according to your preference. There are 3 small buttons at the top right corner of the chart. These buttons are used to customize our chart. The plus sign button shows chart elements. The brush-like button displays style and color options for the chart. In the Style tool, there are many ready-made designs of charts available. You can use them as needed. These styles can also be accessed at the top of the Excel workbook. I will use Style 9, which is a dark style. In Chart Elements, data labels show the number values that the chart is based on. This checkbox enables you to show or hide them. The Chart Title checkbox enables or disables the chart's title. The Axis Title checkbox allows you to enable or disable axis titles. You can also choose to show only one axis title, either horizontal or vertical. The Axis checkbox enables or disables the axis values, and you can choose to show only horizontal or vertical values. The Grid Line checkbox enables or disables grid lines. You can also show a trend line if you want by using the Trend Line option. In the Filter option, you can disable data that is not necessary and also change the range of the dataset. By following these steps, you can create and customize charts in Excel to effectively represent your data.